All right, on this one, let's see. Given below the circle, JH is 35. So from here to here is 35. Again, that's the whole thing, so our radius is half of that. So the radius we're going to use is going to be 35 divided by 2, which should be 17 and a half. Okay, let's see. And then find the length of JHI. So JHI, pretty much everything except that 41 degrees. So the angle we need is that one. And so we're going to do, the whole thing is 360. We're not using the 41 degrees. So I'm going to do 360 minus 41. Okay. And that should give us 319. Okay. So that's going to be what we plug in for x. Okay. All right. Let's do our circumference. Should do 2 times pi times our radius. Okay. And I get 109.9. Then we can go ahead and calculate our arc length. And so our angle we said is 319. So we're going to do 319 times our circumference divided by 360. And I get 97.4. Okay. Let's do this next one. Okay. So CDA is what we're looking for. C to D, around here to A. Okay. There's our radius. So now we just need our angle. So the angle we're looking for is this whole thing right here. Okay. So how I would find this one, the only two we know is this 37 and the 119. So what I would do is look for anywhere that we have 180 degrees. So I could say this part right here, that's 180. And then this other little part right here, this part is 37. So my total angle there should be 180 plus 37. Okay. And so we add those together, we're going to get 217. So we know our radius, we know our angle, we're good to start. So circumference, 2 times pi times r. We plug those in. And I get our circumference is 69.1. Okay. Do the next part here. Calculate our arc length. So take our angle times our circumference, divide by 360. And I get about 41.6, 41.7 for our total arc length there. Okay. Let's try another one here. Find the length of YZ. So that's from here to here. Okay, there's our radius, 3. Now we need to find this angle right here. This guy right here is 90 degrees. We know this one. We know there's 360 degrees total in a circle. So we can just subtract those two from 360. Okay, so 360 minus 90 minus 152. I get 118 degrees. Okay, so now we know the radius, we know the angle, we're good to start. So circumference 2 times pi times r, and I get about 18.8. Let's see, let's do our arc length then. Our angle times our circumference, over 360. Okay, we plug those in, and I get about 6.1, 6.2-ish. Okay, depending on your rounding there. All right, let's try one more. So let's see, MP is 19, so that's from here to here. So again, our radius is going to be half of that. So our radius is going to be 19 divided by 2, which should be 9.5. Let's see, and we're looking for OP, so that's this angle right here. Sorry, this arc. Okay, so this one's a little weird. So we need to find that angle. So if we look, this angle is across from this whole angle right here. Okay, so this whole angle is 112. Okay, we don't want that 47. So to get our angle that we need in here, we can take that 112 and subtract 47. Okay, and so when we do that, I get 65 degrees. Okay, let's do it, and now we're ready to go ahead and solve for this. So let's see, circumference 2 pi r, and I get about 59.6. Okay, let's do our arc length then, 65. So our angle times our circumference here over 360. And I get about 10.7 or 10.8. Okay.